Hi guys! Welcome back to 7 Sugar, and today we are going to talk about what shampoo should we use if we have rebond our hair or we have used a hair straightening cream. So in this video, we will talk about all about that and all the things that you need to know. So first of all, the question is, what shampoo should I use? I have rebond my hair or I have used a hair straightening cream. So what should shampoo I use? So the answer for that is there is really no particular shampoo to use for your hair if you had straightened it. The shampoo will depend on your own comfortness. Just like for me, I have used a lot of shampoo, different brands of shampoo because I was not comfortable with this brand and that brand. So I was just keep on testing and testing until I finally found the one. Because there are shampoo that will give us dandruff. It's actually not just normal dandruff we're getting, but it's because of the shampoo. So we have to change that shampoo. For those straightened hair, if you are thinking, is there any shampoo that I need to use, or is there any particular shampoo that I need to use because I had straightened my hair? So no, you can use any shampoo that you want or any shampoo that suits your scalp and hair. You should make sure that your shampoo makes your hair soft and it doesn't irritate your scalp, because that will make you uncomfortable to use it. So you should make sure that you will not get any dandruff or any frizzy hair or dry hair. My suggestion is you can use any shampoo, plus you can try to use this Strix. You can see it right here. It is Strix Ultra Shine Conditioner. So you can pair it with your hair shampoo. So after using your shampoo, you can use this Strix Ultra Shine Conditioner. Actually, I think all the Strix hair products are really good because I used it every time I dye my hair or I did a highlight, and then the last time I did to my hair was straighten it. So after that, I used this one and it was really soft, like really soft, and it stays like for 2 to 3 days using this conditioner. So you can look for this Strix Ultra Shine Conditioner. So you can use it every day or every time you wash your hair. Pair it with your shampoo. And what you can use every day if you had straightened your hair and you want it to be shiny and soft, you can use a hair serum. What hair serum should I use? So I can suggest you can also try to use this Strix hair serum. It looks like this. Okay, right there. So it looks like that. So that is all my suggestion for you. You can use any shampoo. You can try to use this Strix hair conditioner, or you can look for any conditioner that suits your hair. And I really suggest that you try this Strix hair serum because it's really good for your hair as compared to that other product, which you know what it is. Okay, so thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks you so much for your support. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, bye. I will you huh?
Bye.
Oh, bye. I will say bye, huh?
Bye.
Oh, bye. Oh, Mama will say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Ah, bye.